Good afternoon again. Now is April 2, 2026, and I am here in Nebisu. How much? Ay, kawaii. There's a dog. That dog is kawaii. I bought a camera for bicycle, but then I put inside my house and I run it and I can see myself right now when I check it. This is how I am at home. Parang nagwawala lang. Hindi ko ma-imagine. Ganito pala ang itsura ko kapag nasa bahay lang ako. Parang nagwawala lang. May nararamdaman kasi ako sa gabi na parang may nagbubukas ng pinto ng ng door ko. So, pinipilit niyang buksan. Hindi naman ako naglalak ng chain dahil sa Kaya nilagyan ko ng ng camera. So, nalimutan ko na ganito pala ako. Ang itsura ko kapag nasa bahay. And then, ayan, nagigitara din ako paminsan-minsan kapag trip lang mag-practice. Yan, na hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin makabisado yung kantang gusto kong kantahin. And nilagyan, masakit kasi sa paggigitara, masakit sa kamay, sa daliri. Nabigyan ko naman na ng solusyon kasi umorder ako ng yung rubber panglagay sa sa daliri. But it doesn't work. Kasi nga, anong solusyon sa tamad mag-practice? So take me as you find me. I give my life to follow everything you believe in. Now I surrender. Lagi ako ng DJ sa C. Now, alam nyo na kung bakit. Night view, Shibuya. Okay, 7:30 a.m. I'm here at Tamagawa River. I'm here mag-breakfast ako. But anyway, tanggalin ko muna to. Hindi ko tala yung charger. But anyway, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. There's a car. Yeah, it's in there. Let's have breakfast first bago tayo magkwentuhan. I got from 7-Eleven pancake with honey. I like this for breakfast. With butter right now. Butter. Oh, see, and water plus this yogurt. Hindi ako naglagay ng ng UV. Kala ko kasi hindi mainit. Nga. Tinatry ko mag-diet. Pero hindi. Healthy mood. Healthy body. Nag-try akong Teka lang. May nakita ako eh. Tingnan nyo naman. Si Crow ay nasa na ba? Ayun. Mali. Doon. Ayun. Ayaw nang lumapit. Yun lang. Ano na siya? Anyway. Yun na nga. Ay. Hindi ko matuloy-tuloy yung kwento ko. Ang init. 7:30 pa lang to ha. Ng umaga. Gusto ko mag-diet. Ay, hindi diet. Ay, yung medyo healthy kasi parang bumibigat ako eh. Nag-try ako mag-jogging. Kaya lang, pag jogging ko, wala pang 3 minutes, pagod na ako. Ay, naglakad na lang ako. Plus, bumili ako nito. Napagod ako eh. Kaya kumain ako. Yun. Tapos mag-exercise ko. Nag-jogging ulit ako. Just for 2 minutes. Tapos, naglakad-lakad. And then going back home. Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Are you still watching? Thank you so much. I'm going back home. Ganito lang ang buhay ko sa Japan. Malungkot, medyo masaya, masayang masaya, na umiiyak, char. Ganun talaga dito. Talagang you have to know to be by yourself. Living by myself is not easy. I have nothing to lean on. But God in my life has a very, very, very grateful. His grace is always with me. So He is in control of my life. And I thank for that. Tapos na drama. Uwi na tayo. Thank you so much for watching. And I love you all. Thank you so much for continuous watching. Like, share, and press the bell button. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Mwah. See you at the next episode. I hope you're still watching. Thank you. Subscribes Ems Lusabia channel. Let's park flowers.